So guys, this is a mission. It will be completed soon. This is a water pump which I had ordered from Amazon some time back. ये पेट्रोल पे चलता है and you can fill around 1 liter of petrol in it, and it is a very handy thing if you want to water your plants when there is drought. जैसे आपने देखा कि around 2 years back अंडमान में बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश की कमी थी. इट हार्डली रेन्ड. सो उस टाइम आई यूज़ दिस पम्प टू टेक आउट वाटर एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इट टू एंड गिव इट टू माई प्लांट्स. एंड ये पार्ट भी थोड़ा इनकम्प्लीट है अभी. इधर हम फिर से प्लांट्स और फ्लावर्स उगाएंगे. एंड देयर वी हैड ग्रोन द लिलीज येस्टरडे. एंड अभी हम चेक करेंगे कि इसमें पानी कितना है, बिकॉज होल नाइट इट रेन्ड. It was leaking a little bit from there, so I called the plumber and he put I think M-seal he put, and now it is fine, so it's no longer leaking and the view is just awesome. So we collected around let us say 700 liters of water. So ऐसे करके अगर सब लोग ऐसे पानी को सेव करेंगे, so the scarcity of water can be handled and और ये बहुत अच्छा क्लीन वाटर है. so इधर से हमने पाइप डाला and with this pump which I have, so we pump the water into the central tank, which is the underground tank, which has a capacity of around 6,000 liters. Beast. So ये जो फायर ब्रिगेड वालों के पास पाइप होती है, आई हैव दिस पाइप. इट्स वेरी स्टर्डी पाइप एंड इट्स वेरी लॉन्ग पाइप, एंड उससे हम पानी देते हैं. सो यू हैव टू होल्ड इट विद लॉट ऑफ केयर एंड केयरफुली, अच्छे से फर्मली पकड़ना पड़ता है, नहीं तो ये आपको भी उठा के फेंकेगी, बिकॉज इट इज़ लाइक प्रॉपर फायर ब्रिगेड पाइप. सो इसमें भी ये रात को मैंने ऑन रखा था. So it was continuously pumping water from the tank into the underground tank. So इसमें it is empty right now. So सुबह जब मैं उठा था इसमें I had seen, so it was empty. So इसने भी around let us say 1,000 liters pump किया होगा. So the tank is full and 1,000 को लीटर के करीब maximum 500 to 1,000 liters you can use as a family, and around 1,500 liters you are harvesting. So it's a fair deal. ये थोड़ा सा पाइप मैंने काट के इसके आगे लगा दिया ताकि बारी बारी पाइप नहीं लगानी पड़े. एंड आई पुट दिस डबल लेयर ऑफ मैश मेटल, जो जाली होती है जो विंडोज़ में लगती है. सो इससे काफ़ी थोड़ा ये जो प्लांट्स वगैरह, लीव्स एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, ये बचे रहते हैं, पानी के अंदर नहीं जाएंगे, मल्च नहीं बनेगा. एंड व्हेन इट इज़ नॉट रेनिंग आई विल जस्ट क्लोज दिस लिड. तो दिस वर्क लिटिल बिट इज़ पेंडिंग. इधर अभी प्लास्टरिंग होनी है. एंड दैट्स माई साइकिल विच आई यूज्ड टू राइड, एंड आई थिंक आई विल स्टार्ट अगेन. एंड cycling is a very good exercise for your legs, for your abs, for your oblique, for your lungs. बिकॉज अगर आप प्रॉपर तरीके से एक्सरसाइज करेंगे तो you will become very breathless soon, and that also if you are not using the gear cycle. Gear cycle से बहुत easy हो जाता है. These are plants which we just grew from a small leaf like this one, and now they are so tall. So this also, ये सारा डॉक्टर जैसी ने कलेक्ट किया है. and this is again small baskets, and इसमें भी हमने जैसी ने plants लगाए हुए हैं. so you see the money plant how long and tall it is. now I have to find a way क्योंकि नीचे गिर रहा है ये. so this I have to see. and this is the jindabali which I told in the previous video. It's a wild tree, and for fencing and boundaries it is very good. and the only thing is you have to be careful of the snakes and all, because ये snakes के लिए बहुत अच्छी hiding place बन जाती है. but then you have to make friends with nature, and I believe in destiny, and nothing will happen to you if you are not destined for that. so that's about it. I will also show you one coconut which I had grown, and ये सारा एरिया मैं अभी थोड़ा फ्लैट करूँगा. I will, after the rain stop, I will call a Hitachi and I'll flatten it. I'll uproot the soil and put some coco peat and organic manure in it, and then we'll be growing plants, flowers and all in this. So this is a coconut tree and I hope it will grow up very fast, but I know coconut trees will take around 5 to 8 years to grow tall. And this side also I put Jindabali, and this is the gate which we have made from Jindabali branches, and you won't believe it, this is around 7 feet height, and my dogs, they will just jump across it, over it, and it's amazing how flexible, and they are like springs. So when they have to protect, ये height उनके लिए कुछ भी नहीं है, 7 feet, and they go over it. And first lot of cows and bulls and other creatures used to come inside and graze, but now because of the dogs, the animals know we have started living here, so they don't come. This is an emergency light and motion activated solar powered light. So when we come in the night, sometimes you go late out, so एक इधर को directed है, एक इधर को directed है, whole day it will be getting charged, and when you will reach near the gate, तो ये on हो जाएगी. Then once the motion is not detected, it will switch off. So very convenient, very nice thing. I have put such bulbs from Amazon I got around the house also, and they offer security also, because अगर कुछ on होता है means something is moving outside, maybe there is a snake or somebody is there, and so आप थोड़े cautious हो जाते हो. But the drawback is they are so sensitive that even if the coconut leaves they move, they get activated. So actually the purpose is defeated, but still कुछ तो होता है. If it is still and no this thing is going on, so no wind is blowing, so then you will be guarded if the lights switch on. That's a small well which I have created. इसमें अभी रिंग्स डालेंगे. इसमें भी देखिए मैंने जिंदाबली डाला हुआ है अराउंड for safety, and but it is muddy water, and the rain water from outside, it comes through the gravity from here, it goes and pours inside, so we can't use this for drinking or bathing or anything. For personal use we cannot use this water, and but for watering the plants we can use it. This is another coconut. Which I grew, and इधर से आप ज़्यादा अच्छे से देख पाएंगे. सो इसमें बहुत पानी है. सो जो पेट्रोल वाला पंप है उससे हमने इधर से पानी लेके बहुत प्लांट्स को पानी दिया 2 साल पहले, when there was a drought, and we used to buy water from the tanker, so they would charge 4,000 6,000 like that, and it was a very costly affair. So अभी हम थोड़ा उधर चलेंगे. Walking on grass in the mornings is they say it is a very healthy thing, and it is always good to get up in the morning and take a walk. So ये हमने steps बनाए again from Jindabali, this thing wood, and उसके ऊपर थोड़ा बजरी डाला so that you don't slip, and you have to be careful of these stones, because अगर आपका पैर इस पे आया तो आप slip कर सकते हैं. And this is a very nice unconventional footstep, and this is like mulch, you can say, dried coconut leaves which fall, and ये सब earth के अंदर जाएंगे, and if you leave it like this then also it is fine, it will become mulch, and the bacteria will act on it, and it acts as organic manure. So guys, आज इतना ही है, and I hope आपको छोटा सा टूर अच्छा लगा होगा, and If you like my videos, please do subscribe and comment. Share my videos with your friends and hit the bell icon also, because Google में रैंकिंग के लिए हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. And yeah, so guys, take care and be safe, stay happy, stay healthy, and that's my beast baby, my love. Beast, आजा बेटा, आजा मेरा बच्चा. और रोमन भी आया. ओके ओके. They are such lovely partners. And पर जब ये पैर गंदे करके अंदर आते हैं तब बहुत ज़्यादा हमारी टेस्ट होता है, क्योंकि पूरा गंदा कर दे. कई बार बेडशीट के ऊपर से निकल जाएंगे गीले पैरों के साथ. देन वी हैव टू चेंज द बेडशीट, बट इट इज़ वर्थ द लव दे गिव अस. Okay guys, so take care. I am signing out. Stay happy, be happy, and eat healthy, and pray and keep smiling. It alters your biochemistry for good. And we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.